treat. The actual play equipment that you're having delivered next week is in the yard, and we're going to load it onto the lorry with the forklift truck because it's all shrink wrapped, ready to go. Who's going to tell me what that says on there? Okay, where do you think that's going? It from the weather, okay? So obviously all this dust has gone onto the wrapping rather than the product, and it's sat on a pallet, which you can just see there, like those are, that those guys are just putting together a pile now. So it's put on a pallet, put in the lorry, and then delivered to destination. So Tom's going to get on the forklift. Thank you, Tom. There you go, Maple Road play area ready for delivery.
You have to strap it down as well, don't you, on the lorry?
Yes. Okay.
How long will it take to install?
Okay, it's a really good question. We will start it on Monday.
Yep.
And it will be finished before you return on the Tuesday after the bank holiday weekend. So, I mean, what we've got to consider, which is something that we perhaps sometimes don't think about, is weather. And weather can slow us down, or weather can actually speed us up as well. So if we have another run of the weather that we've been having, it might be that we can get a bit more done in a day. So do you know what? It's going to take somewhere between a week and 2 days.
Brilliant. Very impressed by the drive.